at this 2016 Mercedes Sprinter van, and it's perfect if you're looking for something spacious and luxurious that can fit a lot of people. I'm Alana here at Woody's Automotive Group in Chillic, Missouri, the highest rated dealership in Middle America and Dealer Raters Dealer of the Year for 2017 and 2018. You can find out why by going to over10,000reviews.com. So, comes in this exterior color called Pebble Gray. It's kind of a tan. And you have your giant Mercedes badge right there in the middle with these halogen headlamps up front. This has a 2.1 liter inline 4 BLUETEC turbo diesel engine. And then looking down at your wheels, these are 16-inch steel. Now over on your side mirrors, those have those indicator lights on the corners, and they are powered with those tow mirrors to see easier around your blind spot. Okay, so looking at these front seats, we have these black cloth seats with that kind of plaid pattern going down the middle right there, super comfortable. And they are captain seats, so you can fold up your armrests if you want. And then you have your steering wheel over here with all of your media center stuff to the right of it, and you have your radio options right here with your media. So if you want to connect your device right there, you can. You can connect your phone using Bluetooth right here, and then you have all of your buttons and stuff for that. Then down below you have your climate controls and your hazards and defrost, all that stuff down below. You do have a cup holder that can pop out right there along with the 12 volt. And let's look at all the seats in the back. Yeah. Okay, so here we are in the back seat. This does fit 12 people total, so you'll have 4 seats in the back and then 2 rows of 3 plus the 2 in the front. But it is a high roof, so you can stand up easily and be able to walk around and get to the different rows, especially with that little aisle right there, so you can easily get to any of the rows and not hit your head. So sliding door to get into the back right there, and then over to the back end of the vehicle, you have your BLUETEC badge right there, and then you can look in the back here. Both of these doors open up. What I like about this is that there's room behind the last row, so you have room for all of your luggage and stuff that you can stack, like suitcases and everything in the back right here. So, I mean, if you're looking for a 12-passenger van, this is amazing. It has so many seats and plus your media center up front. So if you want to see this Mercedes Sprinter van or any of our other vans, visit our website, WowWoodys.com, or come see our 15-acre mega lot. I'm Alana. Until next time, wow.
I'm from Lincoln, Nebraska.
I'm from Riley, Kansas.
I'm from St. Joseph, Missouri.
Yeah, we live in Lee Summit. It was a 2-hour drive up, and it'll be a 2-hour drive back.
And it was well worth it.
Well, we have bought 2 vehicles in 3 weeks, so I think that says quite a bit right.
What do you think differentiates Woody's from other dealerships?
Price and quality.
I have so many different vehicles in the lot.
No fees process. There's no hidden fees, there's no bait and switch, there's no shell game. This is the price, this is what it is.